You know, 6.5.
Just a plethora of things.
I don't know. It just doesn't work.
Well, hey, it's Rick here, and yeah, 1962 vintage here, baby. So we're out here in the garage today, and you know, we need to get some stuff done. This place is a wreck. You can see back over here, I mean, the workbench is just full of junk. And then, you know, we got some record albums over there, and, you know, just, I mean, you know, what is all this stuff? Guitar amp, I mean, you know, and just, yeah. Got that old shepherd's hook down there on the ground I need to fix so I can get a bird feeder hung up. Need to haul the aluminum cans off. Those go out to the animal shelter. They collect cans and sell them for helping take care of the animals out there. Just a plethora of things. Yeah, I'm using a new word today, plethora. Plethora is the word of the day. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Oh, I know what else we got to do. We've got to work on Mama RC's van. That's right. She's getting ready to take a trip down to Branson. You know, hey, you know that place down there in South Missouri? Yeah, I used to live down in that area. So she's going to be driving this down there, so we need to check the oil levels and the tire levels and, you know, all that stuff. And we got all this junk here that's got to go back in my van so I can get the convertible out of the garage. So needless to say, we got a lot to do today. So thanks for coming along, and, you know, just hit that like button and sit back and enjoy. Show you more. Now I got to tell you, I don't know nothing about this thing. So we drive it and have the oil changed on it. And it's a 6.5, whatever that means. So, yeah, it's a Toyota, I know that. Anyway, let's check the oil here. Hopefully this one don't break off like the one in the Chrysler does. Or has, or did, or... Okay. First time I ever gauged it, so I don't know. Well, she looks full, so that's a good thing. Okay, there's that. Now, what else we got in here? Let's see, that's where you put the motor oil in. That's antifreeze. What do we got over here? That must be the overflow tank for the coolant. And it's up to the level on it, so, and we're full of windshield washer juice here. Has this thing got a power steering thing on it somewhere? I don't know. Where in the world? I know it's got power steering, but is it electric or is it hooked off the engine? Or who knows? I don't see no dipstick no place. Okay, so I guess that's okay. We'll put a big check mark there. I don't even see a place to check the transmission fluid at on this thing. I don't even know what that is either. That must be where that's an air cleaner. I can probably figure that one out. Okay, well, you know, I guess it's okay. It's got to be okay, right? It's a 6.5. You know, 6.5. Toyota, 6.5. Comment down below if you know what 6.5 means on a Toyota. I have no idea. Okay, well, I thought it might be kind of cool to, that's the air chuck, to kind of compare all of these gauges. This is the one I typically use. I feel like it's pretty accurate. Here's a $2.98 one. Here's a free one that I got from O'Reilly's. You know, if you buy enough, they give you a free thing. And then this one, this is the fancy one here that I got for Christmas years ago, and I don't know if I've ever even used it. So let's just compare them all with the air pressure here, since we got to check it anyway. and see what we get. All right, show you more. I never ever meant for this to be a learning channel. You know, you don't ever want to do things like I do because you might not learn the right thing. What is the thing is poking me? What is going on here? Oh, okay, it's that thing. All right. Anyway, like I said, never meant for this to be a learning channel, but I thought maybe it might just be interesting to see. You know, like I said, this is a Bridgeport. I always figured maybe this one was kind of accurate, so let's just see what it says. Okay, this one says 34, yeah, about 34 pounds. This one says, yeah, 34. So that one's the same as that one. Here's the old Riley one. Oops, we better do that one again. That one says about 30, oh, I'm guessing, yeah, about 34. Let's see if this one even works. I've had this for years, never did use it. She don't do nothing. So I'd say the battery's probably dead in that one. So, all right, so it looks like we got 34. And that's what we typically run in this, I think. I'm going to check, though. Let me check inside the door. Show you more. Looks like that says 35 PSI, unless you got these racing tires on there, which we do not have. So, yeah, 35 pounds. So we probably should put a little in it. All right, let's do it. All right, so we'll put the old air chuck on here. Give her just a little blast. And we'll check it here. And it looks like we got 35. So I'd say that that one is pretty good. Okay, well let me go ahead and, I know they're weed eating all, I mean, it's November. Put the stuff to rest. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go around and do the other 3 wheels and check them out, and then I'll get back with you. Show you more. Well, I believe that's about all I know how to do to this thing. All right, well, let's see if we can get some of this stuff. Here's a bunch of AHRA, old AHRA magazines. And these records, I mean, I can't find anybody that wants them, so I guess we're just going to have to throw them out because I got no space, you know. And these are all of the maps that I collected for the project on the LTD. Which, by the way, we need to talk about that. Okay. Normally, I fix a car or a truck up every year, and then we sell it, and then we do another project on the channel. I mean, if you've been following me for years, you know that's kind of what we've been doing. And but this year, you know, I don't know. I mean, I've got the LTD for sale, but I don't know if I really want to sell it. I kind of like it, but I can't afford to do another project without selling that one, because I mean, I'm not like some of these other channels that just have money growing out their ears, you know. This channel don't make no money, and I mean, if it does, one of the first things I need to buy is a decent camera for videoing, but you know, it isn't to that point yet, you know, so be sure and like and subscribe and share and all that. But anyway, I guess what I'm getting at is I'm thinking about maybe keeping the LTD again, and just doing some more stuff to it. Like we never did get the you know, we got the vinyl roof off of it and everything, but we never did decoupage the road mats to the top and all this kind of stuff that I wanted to do. And we need that, we've got that door on the driver's side that's rusty that I want to, you know, that needs to be fixed. And so I don't know, comment down below and tell me what you want to do. Do you want to see me work on the LTD some more? You know, old 43 here, or do we want to sell that? And you know, I'd like to buy another pickup. I haven't done a pickup in a couple years, so I'd like to find an old Dodge pickup with a slant 6 in it, but you know, those are hard to find. And but anyway, comment down below and tell me what you think. What do you want to see? You're watching this, you know, I can show anything. We can sweep the floor in the garage if you want to, but I don't want to do something you don't want to see. So anyway, I'm going to get this cleared off a little bit, and then I'll bring you back and we'll take a look at it. All right, show you more. All right, let's see. This thing here. can go back up here. Like this old shepherd's hooking on this. Because I got to fix that. Finish wiping off this countertop. And that's looking just like brand used there, baby. Alright, we got to get all of that stuff into that thing. Show you more. Okay, whew. I think we got that taken care of. Alright, so, not much of a video today, but I wanted to give you some kind of content. I usually always try to put something out on Wednesdays and then a little longer video on Sunday. So, anyway, thanks for coming along. Be sure and like and share, and be sure and comment down below where you think we ought to work on the old LTD. And, you know, I got about $170 a month that I can fool with this car with. And that's why I didn't really get a whole lot done to it, because it took all my money to just get it running and be able to make it to Sikeston and back, you know, that kind of thing. So, but I think we're running good now and everything. But, you know, we could do some stuff to it. We could, you know, maybe we could put a 4-barrel intake manifold on it, you know, or we could do some stuff. But comment down below whether you'd like to see me go move on to another project like I've always done, or just keep this one around for another year. So anyway, I'll appreciate you getting down there and making some comments on it and stuff like that. So I've got some plans. If we do keep the car, I've got some plans that might be pretty cool, but you know, if I sell it, we'll just move on to something else. Yeah, don't be shy. Come on down and grab a set of keys here at Rick's Rusty Rex. Anyway, like I said, be sure and like and share and tell everybody to subscribe. I think only about 23% of you that watch my videos are subscribed, so I do appreciate you watching them. That does help on the hours, you know. YouTube looks at that, so hours of watch time for the last 365 days. So anyway, it's come up a lot, but it's not quite up there where it needs to be for monetizing. And once we get that way, if we start actually making an income off of it, why maybe we'll, you know, maybe we can do some more stuff. So. Anyway, I appreciate you watching, and as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby. Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.